Hello English learners, welcome to your own channel, the Smart Online Academy. Most of the students ask me that why should we learn English? Why is it important to learn English? Why should we speak English? What is the use of learning English? So these are the basic questions that most of the students ask me. And today I am going to tell you the importance of English language. First of all, you can live everywhere if you know English. English is an international language. If you want to study abroad, you should learn English. If you want to move abroad or settle, then you have to learn English. And most of the songs are also in English. You can enjoy them. Most of the movies are in English. And if you want to communicate with people from other countries, you need to learn English. English can be useful in a future jobs. It's an important language within media. Nowadays, everything you can see that most of the channels are in English, the news and every type of shows. So it is important language within media. If you are aware and you know how to speak English, you'll be able to travel all over the world. English is a beautiful language. If you travel to USA, England or Australia, it is easier to do stuff and make yourself understood. English helps you to communicate with others in our society. Like most of our education system and subjects are also in English. So it is the best language for the communication. It will be useful in the future, and it is good to know that if you know English better, then your future could be bright. We live in an international society. So if you want to work abroad, it's important to learn English. English is an important language in politics also. You can use English everywhere. And if you are aware of English, you could be able to use the internet. And internet is the best thing of knowledge. When you read books, it's good to know English. You can read any type of book in English. So, dear students, hope it is clear to you that why should we learn English. Personally, I appreciate you to learn English and I'm here to help you. Don't forget, if you have any question regarding English, you can ask me in the comment section.